Louis-Philippe Fiset, the 11th of January 1854 to the 4th of September 1934, was a local physician and politician in the Mauricie area. He served as member of the Legislative Assembly. He was born in 1854 in Saint-Cuthbert, Quebec. Politics. He unsuccessfully ran as a Liberal candidate in the district of Trois-Rivières in 1896, and served as mayor of Saint-Boniface-de-Shawinigan from 1898 to 1900. In 1900, Fiset became the Liberal member of the Legislative Assembly for the district of St. Maurice. He was re-elected in 1904, but did not run for re-election 1908. During his tenure, the city of Shawinigan was incorporated. After retirement, Fiset died in Montreal in 1934. Rue Fiset, Fiset Street, in Saint-Boniface-de-Shawinigan was named to honor him this year.